Hey everybody, this is Natural Normal Nay, and I am here to do a quick stream about how I'm going to set up my charts for day trading with foreign exchange, some indices, or I love SPX, and you can cool juice. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just tell you guys real quick who I am. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Nadrea. I am a digital mompreneur. So day trading is one of the ways that I make money. I also have a coaching business to help people with personal development and training. And I do YouTube because YouTube is just so fun to me. I love my community of people that I connect with on a daily basis. You guys are like family to me. And then I have 3 kids. I'm working remotely, so it's just you got to get your life together, right? But I don't have that much time, real quick. But I do want to let you guys know that you guys can hit me up on Telegram if you guys need some more insight or information about insider information about what day trading is about. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, hold on. I want to give you guys a username for my Telegram, making sure it is available. Ooh, I cannot type. Yeah. Once I get my usernames together for Telegram, I'll go ahead and add it in because I don't want to just put out anything. But if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll try to cover it the next time I go live. So today I'm going live to set up my chart. I always do it Sundays and I meet with my team. We actually go through a whole setup and we go through more charts together and they look over and confirm what I'm doing, making sure I'm right. So let me just start showing my screen so you guys know what I'm doing. All right, so my favorite pair that I use is UCHF. It's the US dollar against the Swiss franc, okay? Now the way I do my setup is from a story approach. I like to look at what is going on from the beginning of the time all the way down to current time, and then I look at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then also look at the 15 minute. Okay. Sorry for all the noise in the background. You know, I got kids, we got family. All right. So this is currently the weekly. I'm gonna start at the month because I want to look at it from a top-down approach. If you guys are already into day trading, you already know you got to look at your market structure. Okay. Currently, UCHF is in a. Let me take this fib off. Currently, UCHF is in a consolidation, but you can kind of think that it's on a downtrend right now. And then if you go to the weekly view, you see more of a downtrend that you can kind of enter in.
You know it's muted.
Oh, it does. I didn't know that. All right, so yeah, you can see like you got a higher high, a lower high. Well, actually, we're gonna start right here. So at the top, we have. Wait, I'm actually live. I'm sorry. So we go to the top of the structure right here. This is a high, and then you got a lower low, which is lower than this low right here, right? And you got a higher low, which is lower than this high, and you got a higher or lower low, which is lower than this low. So you just keep on following this pattern, making sure like it's a zigzag downtrend pattern to kind of confirm your downtrend. And so right now I'm trying to figure out what is a good entry because we are in a downtrend. I want to go ahead and sell in that downtrend. The way that foreign exchange works is if the market is going down, you can make money selling in a selling position on your chart. And then if the market is going up, you can sell in a buying position. So you can make money both ways in the market. Okay, so if the market is crashing, hey, I'm about to get on the chart to try to make some money. All right. And then so right now just zooming in more, looking at the daily time frame. Again, just looking at the patterns. What are the lows doing? All right. So like you can see the lows, you have some market structure right here because this is like a respected level. Again, with these highs, you see this. This is what we will call a institutional level. And once you get some training, we go into more detail about that. But now we're at this lower low, which is like the lowest low that has ever been at for 2020, right? So what I'm going to do is just compare, like, okay, how low has this low really been in the past, right? Which was back in like 2018. Okay. Actually, it's actually way past that. So 2015. Okay. So it could be approaching that low from 2015. All right. But you just don't know. It looks like it's getting comfortable around here with this consolidation over here. So you just don't know if it's going to go back up or go back down. When it comes to placing the trades, is you got to be patient, right? And let me see if I have any comments. Hey, Glow, how are you? You finally caught me live on a Tuesday. All right, so yeah, you have to really pay attention to consolidation points and be mindful of proper risk management. Me, I'm practicing proper risk management. I am not necessarily trying to get rich quick, but at the same time, I'm going to catch my 20 pips and dip. Okay, 20 pips. If you, depending on how your risk management go, that's going to be $20, $200, $2,000. It just depends on what your account is looking like. Okay. All right. So right now it seems like it's like kind of losing momentum, but I kind of feel like before it continues to go down, it's got some imbalance to fill right here, right? Just don't know exactly how much imbalance. And then you also will be looking at your candlestick patterns as well. But also, before I decide to like mark up anything extra, I'm going to actually zoom into the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, this is like still confirming the downtrend, but it seemed like, again, like I just said, it still has some imbalance on the daily that has to fill, and it looks like it's going back up. All right. So just how much imbalance is it going to fill? Let's see. Let me put my fib on. Actually, let me zoom out some. All right. Let's see. So first, I want to see what the pattern is telling me so far. If you look at the fib from the top or the high point right here, all the way down to the first high or lower low. Looking at the fib, this came into like the 23.6, almost 38.2. So, mind you guys, I'm still kind of fresh at this. I've been doing this since like on a consistent basis since October. Okay. All right, so I'm looking for something to go into like the 50% or the 61.8. So, and then the golden pocket, that's good. And let me see. Right now we're at around here. So 20 pips is easily easily this right here. Okay. So there's a lot of leeway I can be making. Hold on. Because if I can get my 20 and I can dip, I'll be fine with that. All right, so that's about that. And then right here, I'm going to do about my 30 risk for my stop loss. All right. And then I also am going to look at the time frames as well. So let me zoom in some. So last week was the 7th. So we have. I'm live. Can we talk later? Okay, so we have. Say 20 to about 2, then it killed it. and did like a Judas swing here, and then we have our 8:30 to 11. Okay. So it kept the trend that way. So there's specific time frames that you can look at to kind of help confirm. Okay, so let me see. We have 20 o'clock. All right, so I already know that it's going on an upside pattern. So I don't want to place a trade going up because we're in a downtrend. So once it gets to about, which I'm guessing is it would get to the 61.8, that's where I can feel comfortable to take my 20 pips and dip. Okay. Um, Also, I don't trade on Mondays. That's used for observation. So I would start placing trades on Tuesdays. So the way my trading schedule goes is Monday night, I would be looking to place a trade for Tuesday. And then once I place that trade for Tuesday, I'll check like in the afternoon for more, or to just see how the trade is doing. If I need to close it out or if it's already been closed out, or if it hit my stop loss. And then I'll just see what the pattern is for the week. Because what I've been noticing with you, Chef, is that the Judas swings and the kill zones, they sometimes follow the same pattern every day, but it doesn't like it could be one way on Wednesday and a different way on Thursday. So you just got to figure out what it's like and how much the average daily range is on that Sunday to Monday to Tuesday. Okay, hold up. Oh, I'll say, oh, I'm good. How are you? This is some deep. This is some deep stuff, huh? But it's let's get this money. I got $5 on it. Yes. Hey, you look like a pro. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'm still learning, still learning. Okay. And then Charlie, how are you? You said, "Wow, good stuff here." Hip hip. I love when you say hip hip. That's your catchphrase. All right. So actually, I'm about to get ready for a training session for the trading to set up Sundays that I do with my team. And basically, I'm just going to tell them what I've been confirming, and then once I get that confirmation from them, because you don't just jump in the trade, y'all. You just got to get multiple confirmations, and it's great to have a team of people that you can get those trade confirmations before you place your trade, and then once you like hit that trade, you're like, okay, I made my 20 pips and I dip. And then you just like keep repeating that process over and over. All right. So if you guys have questions about, let me stop showing my screen. If you guys have questions about basic market structure, how to actually trade, because you do all your trading from your phone. Like there's MetaTrader 4. You use TradingView to set up your charts and everything. If you have questions, I'm going to be available, of course, here on YouTube. So just leave a comment. Eventually, I'll get my username together so you guys can just hit me up in Telegram, and then I will plug you into what we do for the training. Okay. All right, so that's about it for today, you guys. I told you guys I was going to start incorporating more day trading. I also will be doing the motivation for the business. I will also be doing some organization videos, which I still have more videos coming your way for that. So yes, I will be talking to you guys soon. All right, so this is Natural Normal Name. This is all I have to say. Goodbye.